Welcome to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos, and today I'll teach you guys how you guys can see story on TikTok. It's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit the subscribe to our channel with notification on, and let's move on. First thing first, after you open TikTok, you want to go to your friend's profile. So whoever has posted story, you want to see their story, right? So you need to visit their profile. After you visit their profile, it's going to look something like this. Now in order to see their story, you can see like his little profile picture 1 to step 6 is lighted with a blue background, which means it has a blue ring beside the profile picture. That means he has uploaded a story. I can click on the profile picture and I can just view his story just like this. It's that simple to see somebody's story, alright? Or you can also see like when I visit his profile, at the bottom it says story and 1. That means this is his story. He has posted 1 story today. I can click on this as well to see the story. So there's 2 ways you guys can see story, alright? But if you want to see your own story, it's pretty simple. So the last time you went on your friend's story, right? So this time you want to go on your profile because you want to view your story. Click on profile, and as you guys can see over here, this is my profile. Even my profile is lighted on blue. So I can click on it to see it like this. So that's how you guys can see story on TikTok. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.